Hi! Today we're gonna make date treats.
What do we have? What are our two items that we have?
So we need ground up walnuts and we need ground up dates.
They're ground very fine. Just blitzed them a couple times in the food processor. You could probably chop them by hand if you had to with the help of an adult. This recipe is super easy because it doesn't really need a lot of measuring, but we're going to try measuring for the purposes of this video. So we want about a 1/4 cup of dates. We have our hands all washed and ready to go.
This one?
Yeah.
Kind of mash it in there so it's even and you have no air bubbles. All the way to the top, basically.
That's perfect. Okay, so let's put it in our bowl right here.
I think we're gonna I don't know if I can.
Careful. Did you really mash it in there? Good.
Do I want to just
You can use a spoon.
Oh.
That's fine too.
I just use my fingers.
So let's do 2 tablespoons of walnuts, please. Tablespoons.
Oh, 2.
That one.
Like kind of evenly.
Yeah.
A little.
Smooth it out.
Okay. Jump.
Okay, so you're gonna mix those together, and I would recommend a fork. You could use your hands if you want to.
No, I'm just gonna use a fork. Looks like a giant date.
If your hands are clean, you can use.
Yeah.
So you can do this without nuts if you have an allergy or sensitivity. The dates on their own totally work. They make a really sweet, tasty, I wouldn't say low sugar because they have a ton of natural sugar, but they don't have any like cane sugar or corn syrup added, so it's healthy in that sense. That's made from a fruit and some nuts.
Is that good?
What do you think? Do you think you could put in a little bit?
It's like slime adding like the glitter into it.
Okay, that's pretty good. So what we want actually are to make little portions of them. So you'll like break off a little hunk.
Like this?
Yeah, maybe a little bit bigger. They would need to be about the size of like a blob of cookie dough. Like what would cookie dough look like?
This?
Yeah, that's good.
Shape that into a ball and eat it?
Yeah, just shape into a bowl.
Wow. Okay, we got 2 more to go.
I think you can make one big one.
Really?
Typically I make them about this size.
Okay.
We did small petite bites.
Because I don't like to eat big portions of
They're like
stuff.
small date truffles. There. And if you want to get really fancy, we could put like a little pinch of the walnut
Or
on top.
dip the big peaches or pieces and like just do that. Because I like to.
Just one giant piece of walnut on the top.
Yes.
Very fancy.
Yes, and search around and find them everywhere. One more.
Oh,
I forgot the
beautiful. Look at these gorgeous date ball treats.
They look so good.
Do you want to try one?
I'm gonna try this one.
What you doing?
Oh, just looking for a recipe. Wait, what's this? Is this your old society?
Society?
Yeah, didn't you have an old society?
I barely remember. Maybe a long time ago.
Let's see what it says inside. Papyrus.
You know, the papyrus plant grew along the Nile. They used it for scrolls and stuff. One of the earliest
you're
known.
hiding something.
Why would you say that?